Hi, this is Krishna Merchant and thank you for joining us for the market roundup. The Indian markets rallied on Friday on back of gains in Reliance Industry after the government allowed them to raise the prices of gas by April next year. The Sensex was up 2% to close at 21,080 and the Nifty ended at 6,274. Year to date, the foreign institutional investors have poured in around $18 billion into Indian equities. Also, the markets did see some profit booking yesterday after the Fed said that they may start tapering the bond buying program by January next year, although they will taper only gradually. But investors are gaining some faith since there is recovery in the US economy. Among individual stocks, Reliance Industries was the top gainer. It was up 4.8% after the government allowed them to raise gas prices. Also, they gave a bank guarantee in case there is a shortfall in the output. Among other stocks, IT shares were rallying today after Accenture PLC said that the business was seeing a turnaround as there was pickup in orders. Among the top gainers today were TCS and Infosys. They were both up 1% each. Wipro jumped around 4%. Infosys will be in focus on Monday as there was the eighth exit in the last 6 months today with the V. Balakrishnan announcing that he is leaving the company. We need to see how the shares react on Monday because this announcement came after market hours. Amongst the stocks on the Sensex, top gainers were ONGC and Mahindra. They were up around 3% each, and top losers were Sesa Sterlite down 1%, and Sun Pharma and Jindal Steel was marginally down. Sugar companies were in focus because the government has allowed them to get interest-free loans. Top gainers over there were Bajaj Hindustan and Balrampur Chini. They were up around 2% each. Amongst other stocks, Maruti Suzuki shares were up over 1%, and Pashnath Developers lost around 1.2% as it went ex-dividend. Since both the central banks, that is the RBI and Fed, decision out this week, the focus will shift to the fundamentals. Most analysts are saying that markets are trading at long-term average valuations, so further upside hinges upon actual recovery in the economy. Also, markets may remain volatile next week on account of futures and options expiry. That is all for today. Do stay tuned to livemint.com for more updates.